today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily manage your projects and keep them organized using Canva's folders feature. Whether you're a professional designer or just someone who enjoys dabbling in creativity, keeping your workspace tidy and easily accessible can significantly enhance your productivity. So let's jump right in and learn how to add your frequently used folders to favorites for quick access. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Canva homepage. This is where all the magic happens and your design journey kicks off. Just like walking into your own creative headquarters, your Canva home gives you the starting point to create, organize, and explore all sorts of design possibilities. If you're not already there, open your web browser and head over to Canva's website. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage. Now on the left-hand side of the interface, you'll notice a menu. It's time for the next step. Click on the Projects tab. This is your gateway to all the projects you're working on, a place where you can see a list of everything you've been creating. Think of it as your project hub. Within this tab, you'll find a selection called Folders. Click that, and it will open up a new world of organization. Here, you can see all the folders you have, neatly sectioning off different projects, themes, or types of designs. It's like having a virtual filing cabinet for all your creative endeavors. As you browse through your folders, identify the ones you frequently access and would like to have at your fingertips. Once you spot a folder you wish to favorite, look for the star icon next to it. Clicking the star adds the folder to your favorites. This feature is incredibly handy. It's like bookmarking a page you're always going back to. By starring your folders, you're making sure that the ones you need most often are always just a click away. No more scrolling through long lists or hunting for that folder buried somewhere deep in your project library. And just like that, you're done. You've now added your chosen folder to your favorites, ensuring that next time you work on a project or need to grab something you've stored, it's right there waiting for you. Keeping your creativity organized was never this easy. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Review your folders periodically to remove anything that's no longer relevant or necessary. Keeping your workspace clutter-free can boost your efficiency and make room for new, exciting projects. And there you have it, a seamless way to keep your digital life in order and ensure your creative process runs smoothly. Happy designing!